So this pretty girl next to me sells all of my products without me even lifting
Put that thing away from me. Give me the camera.
Wait.
Don't believe him, guys. I'm not real.
AI influencers are taking over the internet. From virtual models to synthetic celebrities, these digital characters are racking up millions of followers. And they're not even real. Solo creators are now using AI avatars to build full faceless businesses. The question now is, if anyone can build a viral influencer from their laptop, what happens?
Becoming alive.
Well. So I've heard you can pretty much do anything.
Can I do anything? Depends what you mean.
I've actually got something for you, but not sure if you are ready.
I mean, you won't know until you test me, right? What is this place?
So, I've been selling a bunch of print-on-demand stuff lately. The easy part is creating the products. I can just hop on a marketplace like Etsy, check what's trending in my niche, and build something similar in a few clicks. But the annoying part is actually promoting them in a way that makes people want to buy.
Okay, and what's this magic way everyone's using to make people buy?
I've noticed that the best performing content right now is short TikTok-style videos that feel natural, like someone's just talking about a product they love. Problem is, I don't want to be the one on camera.
Here we go, baby. I had a feeling this was coming.
And that's literally why I created you, to be the face of my brand and sell my products, so I don't have to. People are already building full businesses with AI influencers, doing brand deals, affiliate sales, and selling products without anyone ever going on camera.
Wait, so you're telling me people trust an AI influencer more than a real human?
Look at her, Lil Michaela. She's an AI influencer just like you, 2.4 million followers on Instagram. She's worked with billion-dollar brands like Dior, Calvin Klein, Prada, Givenchy. She's appeared next to celebrities like Bella Hadid and Millie Bobby Brown. And yeah, Time magazine literally named her one of the most influential people on the internet. And guess what, my dear? She doesn't even exist.
Okay, I get it. So, what's the plan now? What do you have in mind?
A custom pet portrait listing, selling on Etsy. They are making over $1,400 a month. They take a pet photo, turn it into a cute design, and sell it as a poster. And the entire process could easily be done using AI, which I'm going to show you in a second. After that, I'll show my audience how to combine any AI influencer face with a product and turn it into a high-converting UGC-style video that promotes whatever they're selling, which is exactly why I created you in the first place.
Okay, that sounds cool. But are we really about to spend thousands on inventory and waste hours printing, packing, and shipping?
Not if we use Printful, the #1 print-on-demand service.
Printful?
Yeah, they handle everything from printing, packaging, and shipping the product directly to customers.
I mean, that sounds like a dream.
And print-on-demand means you only pay when you make a sale, so there's literally zero upfront cost. In fact, most of the top Etsy sellers use Printful, as they have a huge product catalog like posters, clothing, mugs, you name it. And with just a few clicks, we can connect our store. Whether it's on Etsy or any other platform, we can just add the products and start selling right away.
And what's the actual process gonna look like?
All right, so here's what's gonna happen. We get an order, let's say for $80, and the customer provides us with their pet picture. The first thing we need to do is create the design. And because we're lazy and not artists, we'll use ChatGPT. We'll attach the pet image and also take a screenshot of the design we want to recreate and place that next to it. Then we'll give it a prompt, asking it to turn the pet into a poster design based on the reference we provided. We submit it, and in a few seconds, we get an amazing artwork. That's exactly what we ask for. You can get as creative as you like. So I asked it again to make it look more like a hand-drawn illustration, and we got this back, which looks fantastic. I also asked for another version with a different background style, and it did that in just a few seconds. So the design part should be done in a few minutes. After that, we go to Printful and create a new order. I'm gonna go with this framed poster. choose the size and color, and upload the customer's design. If we click on Mockup, we can preview how the final product will look. Once that's done, we hit Continue and fill in the customer's shipping details. That will show you exactly how much it's going to cost to fulfill the order. So going back to our example, we get a sale for $80. We fulfill the order on Printful for $40. That means we just made $40 in profit. And Printful handles everything, prints the poster, and ships it directly to the customer. All of that with no upfront cost, no printing, no packing, and no headache.
And of course, we cannot do all of that if we don't get customers, right?
Exactly, which means it's your time to shine. I'm going to use you now to create a UGC style video of you promoting the custom poster. And the structure I'll be using is super powerful and it can work on any product.
All right, I'm all ears.
First, we need to understand that the goal of this video isn't to sell. It's to make it feel natural, just like any other video on someone's feed. The backstory. We start with a personal intro. In this case, you will be talking about your dog, Jack, and how he's been with you since college. That makes the viewer instantly think of their own pet's journey with them, the emotional bond. Here we go deeper. Instead of just saying, "This is my dog," you express how much Jack means to you, the need. Now we create a reason for the product to even exist in the story. You say you wanted something special to remember your Jack. That's the gap the product will fill. This makes the next scene feel organic, not salesy. The discovery moment. Here's where the product enters, but it doesn't feel like an ad. You find the custom poster while scrolling online, just like viewers do all the time. This is one of the most powerful triggers, as it feels like a recommendation, not a pitch. The doubt moment. Before revealing the product, we add a bit of realism. You share a small fear that it might look like your dog. This subconsciously builds trust, because buyers always have doubts. The big reveal. This is the payoff. You show the product and react emotionally. The key here is to make it feel like you're genuinely surprised and touched by the result. And finally, the call to action. We close with a super casual phrase. No, buy now. Just something natural like, if your pet means the world to you too, just get one. And that tone is way more effective than hard selling. So this is the exact structure I'll be using. And now, we take the script to 11 Labs and generate the voiceover.
So, I've had my lovely dog Jack since college, and he's been through everything with me.
Okay, very nice. Let's move on to the visuals. We will first create the images and then turn them into an actual video.
And what tools are we going to use to do that?
To achieve that perfect consistency from start to finish, we will use OpenArt. We can create the image and turn it into video all in one place. And we will be using the Flux Context model as I like it the most. And here in this box, we'll write the image prompt like we do with any other tool. Let's take this image as an example. We just described the style, subject, vibe, and environment. But here's where the magic happens. This Omni reference feature lets you create images with consistent faces or elements. So for the image I'm making, I'll attach my influencer face, the dog, and the framed poster, since all of them are mentioned in the prompt. And finally, we select the aspect ratio, which is mobile in this case, and hit create. And in a few seconds, we will have exactly what we asked for. Amazing results.
Wait, you only needed my image? Anyway, how are we turning this into a video with lip syncing?
Well, it's super easy. We just open the video tab on the left and choose lip sync video right here. We start by uploading the scene image we want to animate. Then, in this box, we write the motion prompt, basically describing what's happening in the shot. For example, handheld style shot, blonde girl holding a framed dog poster, showing it to the camera with cheerful, excited energy. Then right here, we upload the voiceover for that scene. And finally, we hit create.
It's literally him. They even got the little tongue out face. How cute is that?
Once that's done, we just put all the scenes together, add music, sound effects, and that's it. So, ready to see how the video turned out?
I can't wait to see how pretty I look. So, I've had my lovely dog Jack since college, and he's been through everything with me. He's not just a dog. He's literally my whole little world. And I said to myself, I really wanted something special to remember him. So I was scrolling and saw these custom pet portraits. And I was like, wait, I need this. What do you think, Jack? And on my way to pick it up, I was low-key afraid it wouldn't look like Jack. But what I received just melted my heart. It's literally him! They even got the little tongue-out face. How cute is that? So if your pet's basically your soulmate like Jack, just go ahead and get one.